Yo, what up, YouTube? Big and quick meteor here. It's big at the moment. Quick's currently busy working on another project, which I'm not going to go into at the moment. I hope everyone got a great Christmas, and we're looking forward to a good New Year, you know. Yeah, Santa brought me a ukulele, which is like a miniature guitar. I think you're play it like that or some shit. I'm not sure yet, but I'll make a video real quick for you guys to show you. I'm no doctor, but I've heard there's nothing sexier than a grown man kissing a wild bird. Have you ever seen a grown man kiss a budgie? Oh, so strong. Who knew budgies could be so sexy? My name's Cyrus and I live on a farm. Do you like anchovies? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There you have it, folks. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe my videos.